A pleasant welcome to all. Now we are going to study about inter-process communication. Video lecture and e-content created by R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, INDIRECT Janaki Ammal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamscsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Inter-process communication. Inter-process communication provides a mechanism to allow processes to communicate and to synchronize their actions without sharing the same address space. Models of IPC. Shared memory message passing. Shared memory system. In shared memory system, a region of memory is shared by cooperating processes. Processes can exchange information by reading and writing data to be shared region. This region resides in the address space of the process creating the shared memory segment. Other processes that wish to communicate using this shared memory segment will attach into their address space. Message passing system. In this message passing system, communicates takes place by means of messages exchanged between the cooperating processes. The system provides two operations. The first one is send and the second one is receive. The processes P and Q want to communicate. They must send messages to and receive messages from each other via communication list. Link implemented. The link can be implemented by direct or indirect communication, synchronous or asynchronous communication, automatic or explicit buffering. Naming. The process that want to communicate must have a way to refer each other. For that, there are two types of communication used. The one is direct communication and the other one is indirect communication. Direct communication. Under direct communication, each process that wants to communicate must name the recipient or sender of the communication. Send P1 message, send a message to process P. And receive Q1 message, that means receive a message from process Q. Property, a link is associated with two processes. Indirect communication. Under indirect communication, one process sends a message to the mailbox and the other process picks up the message from the mailbox. The process can communicate only if they share a mailbox. Send a comma message, that means send a message to mailbox A. Receive a comma message, that means receive a message from mailbox A. Property, a link may be associated with more than two processes. Synchronization. Message passing may be either blocking synchronous or non-blocking asynchronous. Blocking send. The sending process is blocked until the message is received by the receiving process or by the mailbox. Non-blocking send. The sending process sends the message and resumes operations. Blocking receive. The receiver blocks until a message is available. Non-blocking receive. The receiver retrieves either a valid message or a null. Buffering. Message exchanged by communicating processes reside in a temporary queue. Buffering is implemented in three ways: zero capacity, bounded capacity, unbounded capacity. Zero capacity. Communication link cannot have any messages waiting in it. Maximum length of the queue is 0. The sender must block until the recipient receives messages. Bounded capacity. In communication link, n messages can reside in it. The queue has a finite length. The sender is blocked until space available in the queue. Unbounded capacity. In communication link, any number of messages can be reside in it. The queue has infinite length. The sender never blocks. Thank you.